Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Creative Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Creative Cloud, start by visiting the official Adobe website. Navigate to the Creative Cloud section. Click on the download button. You may be prompted to sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once signed in, return to the download page. The Creative Cloud installer should start downloading automatically. Locate the downloaded installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. If you're on a Mac, you may need to drag the app to your Applications folder. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Once installed, launch Adobe Creative Cloud from your Applications or Start menu. The Creative Cloud window will open, displaying available applications. You can browse through the apps and select which ones to install. Click on the Install button next to each application you want. Once installation begins, wait until the progress bar completes. After each app is installed, you can launch it directly from the Creative Cloud window. Alternatively, you can access installed apps directly from your desktop or Applications folder. Make sure to check for updates regularly to keep your apps up to date. Explore the features available through Adobe Creative Cloud to enhance your creative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.